Hey, Kevin from Scrunch here, and today I'm going to talk about citations, which are a really critical component to having your brand show up in AI search results. And what we mean by citations are the websites or resources that an LLM will reference as a response to a prompt. And so in this demo environment, you can see we have four different robo-advisors here. And we also are showing the citations, which are made up of 100% third-party sources. And so that leaves actually a lot of room for opportunity for these brands to tap into these third-party sources to get mentioned. And that's why I picked them as a category. So let's drill down a little bit further. And for that, I'm going to hop over to the citations tab. I'll see you over there. All right, so now over in our citations view here, which gives us a nice breakdown of the top domains cited across all the different prompts that we're tracking. I also get this long list of domains across that same prompt set, which I can sort in any number of ways, like sort by the number of prompts that that domain is showing up for. And if I wanted to, I can export this into a spreadsheet and break it down even further, build pivot tables, and use a spreadsheet for analysis. But to make this more actionable, what I want to start doing is applying filters to inform our citation strategy. So I can click add filter here, and maybe I want to only look at prompts that are at a lower stage of the funnel. So I'm going to select this evaluation stage of the funnel here. When I do that, you actually see that Investopedia went away and that these other citations are now ranked higher because they're probably showing up for prompts with lower funnel intent. The other thing I might want to do is apply another filter for, say, a prompt topic. Maybe we have a campaign or a product release around specific topics. So I'm going to select this one for tax loss harvesting here. And let's say that looks pretty good for next steps. And so what we want to do from here is, instead of looking at the actual domains, is actually see the URL that is being referenced in LLM platforms. And to do that, I'm going to just select this URL button here to toggle from domain to URL. And because Fidelity and Vanguard are competitors in the robo-investor space, let's look at NerdWallet as a potential option for either getting our brand placed in this article or maybe creating something above and beyond this. So what we can do here is click on this, and it'll open up a new link to that actual resource, the actual URL that is being cited by LLMs. And potentially we want to reach out to one of the different editors here to see if we can place our brand, say if like a competitor is here, or we can look at this content and say, oh, we can do better than this, and maybe have our brand actually show up for this result in prompts. So for that latter piece, we might want to drill down further here and see which prompts are actually showing up. And to do that, I can click on this little arrow here. What this is going to do is give us a breakdown of all the different prompts here that URL up here is showing for. And this now informs maybe my content strategy. I can build a piece of content around all that answers all of these prompts and maybe potentially more. And when we do that, then over time, hopefully we'll rank higher than that NerdWallet article. And so that's all I really wanted to show here. Very powerful stuff that you can do with Scrunch, and specifically around informing your citation strategy. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.